What's up, guys? It is shopping day. We're up at the mall right now. Well, Lutz, let me turn the angle. Lutz in there shopping. I'm in the mall. She takes care of that, and I do a walk. So anyways, I'm up here at the mall, up at the Marquee Mall. Let's flip this around. There you go, guys. Now you can see what's going on. You know what? I'm on this one end here where the Gold's Gym is. All right, you got a Gold's Gym right there. There's a Savers Appliance, and there's a food court back here, and I've never walked back in here. So I'm going to come back in here and show it to you. I was impressed. Well, I did a pre-walk before now, so I did get to see what's in here. But I was impressed with what all they have in this little food court. Like I said, first time walking back in here. See this street steak? I stopped there. Street steak fusion sushi. All right. They have T-bone steak in there for 950 pesos, a porterhouse steak for 1,000, and a ribeye for 1,150. And then, of course, your sushi. And I asked her what kind of meat it was. I said, "Is that USDA?" She said, "No, but it's good beef." I'm like, "All right." Mr. Kimbob's, these places are great. As you can tell, the line, you can tell if a place is good by the line. Mr. Kimbob's is really good. They have them over there in SM Clark. Love it. Cheap too. You get some good meals over there for a really, really good price. That's why it's lined up too. You got Turks. There's a Kimbob right there. Comes out on a plate and it's smoking hot. Pita donor meals. And it smells really good back here. Joe Frango's flame grilled chicken. All these places have little kitchens in the back to cook all their meals. Vents going out. Areas to wash food. Popo. There's Popo. He didn't say anything. You got this area back in here just for seating. I'd say it's pretty nice. It's like a food court that I didn't know existed. You know what I mean? Oh, selfies. All right, good selfie. Hello, ladies.
Hi.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Wait, two joins? Two joins, you know, two joins. Yeah, two joins. BBM, yep, BBM. Good call, good call. Bye-bye. You got a window right here that looks out into the parking lot. Look at this crazy parking lot here. Look at this. This is the parking lot for motorbikes here at Marquee Mall. And it's just crazy. It's just, I hate parking there with my motorbike. If I do park, I'll park out where the trikes are. So I don't have to worry about people slamming into my bike. Because here people don't, let's face it, they don't respect other people's property. They don't. I am telling it how it is, guys. It's not rainbow and sunshines. But they'll smash up into your bike and stuff, scratch it. They'll roll the other way. They don't care. Little fruit place right here. Little fruit girl. Street Food Haven. There you go. Street Food Haven. And hot dogs, squid balls, cheese sticks. These things are pretty good. What are they called, buddy? What's the name?
Jeff.
Huh?
Jeff.
Japanese. No English? Alright. Huh?
Takoyaki.
Tokiyakis. Is that it? Tokiyaki?
Yes, sir.
Tokiyaki. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, here we are. I've seen them before. They're pretty good. All right. There's another area you can sit. Look out the window. Okiyaki house. Then you got this place here. Shabu Shabu, Panda Shabu Shabu. Very popular here in the Philippines. But yeah, I'm impressed. First time I've ever walked back in this little food court. I know, now everybody's getting hungry, right? Everybody's getting hungry because I was in the food court. All right, so I just stepped in the Gold's Gym there to get a price, to find out how much they charge per month for membership. 1,500 pesos, that's 30 bucks. 30 bucks, guys, for a month of Gold Gyms. There's music playing in there, and you know, the guy asked me not to film in there, which I can understand. But 30 bucks, that's just a basic gym. Free weights, machines, treadmills, bicyclers, ellipticals in there. No pool, no sauna. They do have a locker room in there. But for 30 bucks, I mean, I guess that's okay. There are gyms here, and some are cheap, and some are really, really cheap. There's a Subway down there. I'm just doing a stroll around. I'll tell you what, guys, it is warm. It's like they never turn the air fully back on here after the restrictions have been lifted. No, the other way. There we go. Give you a wider view. It's like they never turn the air on back in here. Still warm. But you're getting your monthly mall vlog. I think it's around 11:30 or so, 12, and the mall's full. Different areas of the mall. I've walked around the mall already. I just figured, let me break out my camera, kill some time. But the mall's pretty full for midday. See a lot of kids that should be in school. Why aren't they in school? I don't know. Why aren't you in school? Unless they do modular. Hannah's getting ready to end her schooling for the year. She's excited. We're excited because next month, guys, we're heading back down to Puerto Galera, taking the kids down there. Gonna try to get them to do some scuba adventure where they get in the water and try to go under the water. We got a lot of things planned. We're excited. We're gonna be down there probably a whole month. So everybody's going this time. Nobody is getting left behind. The only reason they don't get left behind, the only reason they don't come along is kids have school. They have school, we can't yank them out and let's go for a week, let's go for 2 weeks, 3 weeks. They have school, guys. And it's funny because some people think we just leave them at home by themselves. Oh yeah, cracks me up. You're kind of safe up here on the second level. First level is where they have a lot of the security people that sometimes like to just yell, I guess. No vlogging, no video. Here's another thing you got. Oh, you got the elections coming up, right? And they already put it out on the radio. Like they said, no taking selfies, no doing vlogs, no doing TikToks, no filming the election area where people go in and vote. They said none of that. Like they're telling the people flat out, not allowed. Don't enter in there and try to do some vlogging. Look at this upstairs here, all them people. Social Security's up there. And it's Monday. And that's the line. And that's kind of the end of the line. Always is full up there. Now it seems like you got this whole wing here, right? From that corner all the way down here is like nail salons, waxing salons, dermatologists. There's all your treatment and their prices. Hair treatment, facial bliss, facial treatment, eye treatments, body boosters, spa delights. It's just all on this second floor right here. Skin and Medi Spa. Then you go upstairs on the next level, and it's just a ton of phones, you know, all your phone and accessories. The electronics are on that next level. Here's another one right here. Nail spa and barber shop, skin station. Wonder Bake. I've gone in there. You can find some pretty good baking stuff in there. Well, let's go see if the movie theater's open. All right, guys, so the movie theater at Marquee Mall is still closed. It's dark and still closed. Look at this. They have here like the newer videos that are coming out. Jurassic World, Tom Cruise, Top Gun, Maverick, Secrets of Dumbledore, Mysteries of Madness. But it's not open. Maybe they're anticipating to open. Maybe they open at a different time. But right now they're closed. Interesting. Huh. Interesting. Here come the girls. Huh? The popcorn stand's open. New York style pizza in the corner, that is S&R. Now let's hop over this way. I'll show you. You can see all the people there for the Social Security system place. That's what all them people are lined up for. That's a line Look was in that one time when she was trying to clear up her Social Security issue. It's an all-day event, guys. You come here, it's an all-day event for the Social Security. There they are. Wait in line. This place here's got tools, name brand tools, Makati, DeWalt. And of course they have some knockoffs. Go in there and check them out. Big rigid vacuum cleaners, shop vacs and stuff in there. Name brand Honda rototillers, weed whackers, Hondas. That's a good little place in there. No, I'm not walking in there. Then up here, like I said, here's all your electronics. They've all tried to get me to buy a phone or something, and they'll even see me holding a phone. Cell phone, sir? Maybe. Not today. Only because I'm holding one. A lot of times you just walk by and they all, and there's a driver's license center. That's where I renewed my driver's license down there. Must be lunchtime. Samsung cell phones. Must be lunchtime. Nobody's out. Usually they're all standing up. The salespeople all up in the line there, up around where the cell phones are, and the electronics. Yeah, I see them all sitting in there eating. I'm not going to keep going down. Down there is where they issue passports to Filipinos and stuff. It's just a lot of people down in there. That always gets full of people too, because you have to come here. It's the closest place. I forget what the name is. It's called, but they issue passports. If I'm not mistaken, passports there. So anyways, guys, you know what? I'm going to just wrap this one up. There is our mall vlog for the month. Look at this. It's busy. It's busy. Kids are out. They're cruising around. You can see I'm on the top floor. If you're not aware of it, guys, Filipinos love malls. They love their malls. So, all right, guys, I'm going to wrap this one up, and we will talk to you later.